Hey, here's how to Zway the easy way. As you know, Zway is now giving back to the business community that supported us for the last 8 years. If you're a small business with less than, say, 10 million turnover, you can now buy the apps that you've been using and loving but paying every month for. If you're not already a Zway user, you'll be delighted to know that the apps that cost your business a small fortune every year
can now be replaced by one single payment to Zway. The best bit is you don't have to buy Zway and replace them all at once. To help you even more, we've broken the whole suite into about 10 different parts. Just buy the bit where you want to start. Then, if you need more functionality or extra users, just go to your admin center here, click on License Dashboards, and buy the bits you need, and as many users as you want. Just pay once for each package and save your business a fortune by cutting out the software as a service costs from other vendors. Remember,
no single action in Zway takes more than 2 minutes, and most of the things you do with your existing expensive pay monthly deals can be done on Zway.
So, for example, to add a timesheet, it's as simple as being able to add timesheet from the cover sheet. It's just one click. You can add it for a period. In this case, I'm going to put a period of 1st of July till the 7th of July. And I'm going to say each day, obviously you can do this daily or monthly, as long as you like. Each day I've worked 6 hours, but in this case I only want to bill 5 of them to a client. I want to bill them for a particular activity that I'm doing. Let's call it personnel and payroll. I won't add the company, but basically this is linked to your CRM, companies and contacts, so you can send an invoice for this time directly to the client if you wish. It's all automated, or you can add it to a specific project you're working on, or even down to a job and task level. And when you put a save timesheet in, that timesheet then goes into an approvals process. You can see the approvals process in My World, and you can follow it through. In this case, here's a timesheet I put in earlier. It's gone through for approval to my manager, and when I click on it, I can see the process, who the manager is that's signing it. And in this case, I'm able to approve my own timesheet, and I can add notes to it if I wish. Once it's approved, it then goes into any billing or invoicing process you've already preset. This is so simple. Another way to add a timesheet, whatever you're working on in the Zway platform, there's a little timer up here in the top right. And when you click on it, you can add a new timer, and literally it starts to tick down saying how long you're working on a specific job. Here I'm going to say I am making a video and put some notes in. I can add it to the project or the job and start the timer. And anytime I wish, I can finish that particular timer by stopping it, and it asks me if I want to add it to a timesheet. And if I do, I click and I'm back here to the add timesheet form. It's that simple. No process in Zway takes more than 2 minutes.